Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem. We're given that x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we're going to evaluate this expression x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared plus 3. In this video, I'll be presenting two different methods. Let's start with the first method. From the given equation, we have x squared plus x minus 1, which is equal to 0. From here, let's move this term x and negative 1 to the right hand side. So we have x squared will be equal to, in this case, that we have opposite signs. So we're going to have negative x, then plus 1. Okay, so from here we have x squared stands for this, right? So let's square both sides of this equation. So we have negative x plus 1 squared. So we have 2 times 2 here is 4, so this will be x to the power of 4, which should be equal to, here negative x squared is x squared, then plus 1 squared is 1, then we have here minus 2 times x times 1, which is 2x, right? Okay, so from here, we have x to the power of 4 is equal to x squared. Let's replace with negative x plus 1, right? So here we have negative x plus 1. Then here we have plus 1 minus 2x. So from here we have x to the power of 4 is equal to negative x minus 2x is negative 3x. Then 1 plus 1 here is 2. Now let us recall back again. The expression we're asked to evaluate is x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared plus 3. So this will be equal to, remember x to the power of 4 is this, so we have negative 3x plus 2. Then we have minus 3 into bracket x squared. This is the value here in terms of x. That is negative x plus 1, right? Then remember we have plus 3. So from here, we have negative 3x plus 2 minus 3 times minus x will give us positive 3x. Then we have minus 3 times positive 1 is negative 3, then plus 3. We can see negative 3x plus 3x is 0. So we have here 2 plus 3, 5 minus 3, which is 2. And this is the right answer. Amazing. So let's see the second method, right? Okay, so let's see the second method. We are given the equation x squared plus x minus 1, which is equal to 0, and we're here to evaluate x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared plus 3, right? Okay, let's manipulate this quadratic expression as follows. So this is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x cubed. Now we are introducing this term x cubed. So we'll need to subtract it somewhere, right? Okay, so here, minus x squared, if you subtract this here, remember we have negative 3x squared, so we need to have a negative 2x squared here. Amazing, right? Okay, so here we have finally plus 3, right? Okay, so this will be equal to, from here, factor out x squared. When you do that, you find that we have x squared plus, that is x, then minus 1. Amazing. Remember, this is equal to 0. So everything is coming out well, right? So we have minus x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3. So here we have this is equal to 0. So 0 times x squared is 0. So what we have here is negative 3, negative x cubed, minus 2x squared plus 3. Now let's manipulate this is that quadratic? No. This is actually cubic expression, right? So we're going to manipulate this as follows. We have negative x cubed. Now we're going to have minus x squared, and we need to have a minus x squared. So that minus x squared is minus 2x squared. So here we introduce x, and we need to subtract x. Remember, we have a plus 3 right over here. So from here, we factor out negative x, and you will see that we still have that x squared plus x minus 1 once again. Okay, so from here, we're going to write this as negative x squared minus x plus 3. So not yet writing it, right? Let's see what is going on. So here this 0 times this is 0, right? And from here, what do we actually do? Okay, so from here, let us factor out -1. So -1 into bracket. So this will be x squared plus x, then minus 3, right? And from here, so this will be equal to -1 into bracket. So we write this as x squared plus x, then we have -1. So if we have -1 here, we're going to have, remember we have -3 here, then we have +1 right over here, right? So we know this right over here is already 0. So this will be equal to -1 into bracket 0 minus 3 plus 1. So this is equal to -1 minus 0 minus 3 is -3. -3 plus 1 is -2. So -1 times -2, which is equal to 2. And this is the right answer once again. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.